The Daley, a modern 400-unit community just off the metro. Beautiful building. One problem, nobody planned for. The package room. Wire shelving, packages on the floor. A system held together by habit and hope. Paper signs for every floor. Boxes stacked wherever they'd fit. Volume growing faster than anyone expected. The management solution? A note on the wall, asking couriers and residents to please keep things organized. The lockers helped until they didn't. Oversized packages, holiday surges, everything that doesn't fit a small metal box. So we cleared the room, moved everything into the lobby, and started from scratch. 3 weeks, new shelving, smart zones, cameras, kiosks, a room designed for the volume it actually handles. Every zone is labeled and lit. Drivers scan in. Residents get a code. No one sorts through a pile. 400 packages a day, zoned, monitored, accounted for, around the clock. Same room, completely different building.